Okay, so I'm unboxing this thing. The Eley portable hose reel cart, model 1043. So that's what it will look like. And just like the hose nozzle that I took out yesterday or the day before, my first impressions of this is like, it was like meticulously packed. It was like perfectly getting all these plastic pieces, like it came out like this perfect square. Nothing was loose and rolling all over the box. And every piece is like way over engineered, which I love. Because like this handle to wind it up is this solid piece of some sort of a plastic or urethane, but it's not hollow, anything like that. And it's got this massive bolt that attaches it to the reel. And it's just really, really heavy duty. So it's that kind of, you know, checks all the boxes for me. Even the tires are solid, but they have some cushion to them, which is weird. It's like, I don't know what kind of rubber it is, but they're not inflatable. They won't go flat after the first year. They're a rigid tire. I think it's funny. It says on the one, it says not for highway use. So just in case, you know, I was thinking about putting those on my car or something. And then this is the what attaches to the spigot. Again, super high quality. Really, really impressed. So I don't think this will be too bad to put together. In fact, even the wrench they give you to put together, usually they give you some little wimpy little Allen wrench that strips out. This thing is even massive, so I can appreciate all that. And, you know, I feel like I got what I paid for so far. So give me 20 minutes and I'll knock this thing out.
20 minutes later.
Pretty straightforward install if you follow the instructions, which I did and I didn't at times, but overall really easy. Again, really nicely beefy put together. But what's cool is, so the hose comes through the center cylinder here and it connects to this piece, this rigid piece of brass, and it's all mounted in, and it just allows it to spin without kinking anything up. So it's really slick design. And then this little strap right here, this mounts in here, and then it comes through and it holds on to this. So when you get to the end of the reel, it kind of keeps everything together and not getting all wonky and pulling on any parts unnecessarily. So pretty well designed. I'm anxious to roll up this, see how neatly I can get it. Probably won't be too good. New hoses are lame. And then put the nozzle on and give her a spray. My next project for today, so excited about this. Got the power rotary scissors to replace the string trimmer. When you cut at a really low height, like 5/8 of an inch, string trimmer is no bueno. All it does is try to you can't get a clean cut. So I'm really anxious to replace that and see how that goes. Stay tuned for that. So every part of me wanted to roll it up just like it is here, but clearly I didn't. It's fine. Ooh, so crispy. Love it. Let's check for leaks. Nothing. Gotta clean this. I mean, nothing. All right. You're seeing this live. I haven't done this yet. What the hell? It's gotta fall 100 feet. Oh, there we go. Oh! I can't tell you how satisfying that is. Whew. Whew. That's the least hole one because I knew my pressure wasn't great. Oh, that is so nice. That one little stray there. Love it. The one thing I've realized now that I'm using this is the head turns independent of the hose. It's on like a swivel, so you don't have to worry about the hose all binding up and everything else like that. Big win. Love watering this short grass. Love it. Looks like crap though. Really hot. Really hot. Alright, overall review. I mean, it's gotta be a 10. I could knock it on a couple things. I'm a little, I wish I could reel it either way, but I think, without messing with it, I think I can only reel it one way, which I don't know if that's gonna be a problem, because you can just pivot this around whatever way. I love that this goes through the center and not through the side. I did get one extension and didn't ship yet, or it's going to be here soon, because if I want to pivot this thing around to unreel a certain way, I just want to have a little bit more extension there. But it's top notch. It is top notch. Love it.